As the largest trackwork business outside of North America, Progress Rail Services UK is responsible for developing our international capabilities and our international presence. We're doing this through a variety of means. One is we're building some partnerships with various providers of different track technology. The market is changing, customers want to see more service, and we're looking at ways to do that. And we're also looking at working with different parts of the supply chain to reduce the cost and make our offering more efficient so that we can be more competitive in projects in various parts of the world.
One of the things that we're able to offer is not only manufacture bespoke solutions to suit a client's needs, but we can also help them develop the solution as they go along. So whether that's starting a product requirement doc, whether we go to site and do an analysis, we can do safety cases, and we can work with our engineering and assurance team to ensure that the client can get what they need when they're not very sure themselves. The cradle to grave approach also allows us to be able to go out to site after, provide on-site support, installation and feedback following any certificates that we get later in life.
Many of the products and services and projects that we deliver are extremely complex, which draws on our technical expertise to configure the products, and our in-house UK manufacturing really assists us in keeping that in our supply chain and therefore in our control.
Progress Rail Services UK operates out of 4 different facilities across the UK, all with different specialisms and bringing different value to the market. So up in Scotland we have our foundry at South Queensferry. This foundry produces some of the largest and most complex cast manganese crossings installed anywhere on the railway globally, and has a fantastic quality record, delivery record. Very proud of that facility.
We have probably the best quality castings in the world, in my opinion. We can take your whatever design you wish, we'll manufacture it, make sure it suits your purpose, make the pattern, make the casting, machine it and deliver it and send it out to you.
Everywhere else in the world apart from the UK seems to have their train stations in the centre of the cities. Ours are kind of bent round the edge, the outskirts, round hills and edges, which means that the crossings that we manufacture are shaped with different types of geometry. It makes it very difficult, unless, I'm not blowing our own trumpet here, but unless you work for South Queensferry or Sheffield, where the difficult becomes the normal.
We then move down a bit south to Sheffield. At Sheffield we weld crossings. The manganese crossing is something that can't be welded directly to rail, so we have a special welding process that takes place in Sheffield.
So the Sheffield facility receives manganese castings from our Scotland facility and assembles them into crossing assemblies. We also make a wide range of bespoke manufacturing products for certain customers, ranging from small brackets to buffer stocks to engine hatches. The Sheffield facility also offers a central location for transport links to all around the UK and also to major ports for exporting around the globe.
Coming further south again, we end up in Sandiacre. It's where we produce most of the traditional trackwork components. Lots of machining takes place here. We also have an iron foundry producing some of the associated components that go alongside the trackwork. And again, ensure that we as Progress Rail UK can meet the pretty unique needs of the UK network. We produce things that other foundries would find inefficient, difficult to make, but we know the product, we know how it relates, and therefore we're prepared to produce slightly differently to other foundries. And then not too far from here, probably about 6 miles away, we have our Beeston facility, which is a large area to lay out turnouts. The UK is pretty different to other areas of our business insofar as our customers demand that the full turnout is laid out end to end.
This is the point in the process where the engineering designs come together for the teams in the yard to assemble and pre-assemble and prove the designs and the geometries that have been given to us and that we've replicated in the detailed designs. The principal reason for this proving of the assemblies is to maximise on time and sub-assemblies away from site to enable the site teams to have minimal time on track, thus economising and using their time best in the tight possessions that they're given on track.
We have got a fantastic product out there, all of our customers know that, and that's why we're here to this day with repeat orders, repeat business and a quality product, backed up with the service that they get from South Queensferry, from our people in Sandiacre and all of our other engineers. We just don't sell a part, we sell a service, which is what makes us unique.